Love is a magical feeling, but when it starts to fade, it can leave you feeling lonely and unloved. That's why it's important to keep the spark alive in your relationship. And I understand the situation you're facing. You've been in a relationship with an incredible guy, and your feelings for him are deep and intense. However, recently, you've noticed a shift in his level of interest towards you. It's natural to question whether he's losing interest. I know how much this hurts. I've been there myself, but I'm here to tell you that there's hope. You can make him miss you like never before. I know that you're probably thinking, I don't want to play games. I just want him to love me. And I hear you, but sometimes a little bit of mystery and intrigue can be a good thing. It can make him want you more. You see, making him miss you is not about playing games or manipulating him. It's about creating a healthy balance between being close and being independent. It's about showing him that you're a valuable and desirable person who has a lot to offer. And it's about making him realize that he's lucky to have you in his life. So, how do you do that? Well, I'm going to give you 4 tips that will help you make him miss you like crazy. These tips are based on psychology, science, and my own personal experience. They work for any guy, whether he's your boyfriend, your crush, or your ex. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. Don't be too available. This means that you should not be always texting or calling him or always responding to his messages right away. Don't always be the one to initiate contact or make plans. Let him come to you sometimes and take the lead in the relationship. This can be a bit challenging at first, especially if you're used to being the one who always makes the plans. But it can be incredibly satisfying and rewarding to see him putting in more effort to see you. You should also not be always posting everything on social media or always saying yes to his invitations. It's okay to say no sometimes or to suggest a different time that works better for both of you. This not only shows that you have boundaries and respect for your own time, but it also creates some healthy distance between the two of you, which can actually make your time together more special. Being too available can make you seem clingy or needy, and that can push him away. It can also make him take you for granted and lose interest in you. You see, men are wired to chase what they want. They love the thrill of the hunt and the challenge of winning something they can't have. So, if you're always there for him, he won't feel the need to chase you or win you over. He'll think that he already has you, and he'll get bored of you. But if you're not always there for him, he'll start to wonder what you're doing, who you're with, and why you're not contacting him. He'll start to miss your presence, your voice, and your attention. He'll start to crave your company, and he'll want to reach out to you more. By doing these things, you'll show him that you have passions and goals that are important to you and that you are not solely dependent on him for your happiness. You'll also show him that you're not desperate or easy to get and that he has to work hard to earn your attention and affection. This will make him miss you more than ever. 2. Be confident. Confidence truly is a key ingredient to making him miss you like never before. Not only does it make you more attractive in his eyes, but it also exudes a sense of independence and self-assurance that is undeniably alluring. When you are confident in yourself and your worth, you are not afraid to set boundaries and prioritize your own well-being. This displays a level of maturity and self-respect that is often lacking in modern relationships. By maintaining this confidence, you gain a sense of power that will draw him in and leave him yearning for more. Confidence goes hand in hand with assertiveness. This means that you are not afraid to speak your mind and stand up for yourself when necessary. You know exactly what you want, and you are not afraid to pursue it. This sends a clear message to him that you are a strong, secure individual who cannot be easily manipulated or ignored. Being confident requires a certain level of self-awareness and emotional intelligence. You must be in tune with your own emotions and needs in order to truly exude this sense of confidence. By prioritizing your own self-growth and practicing self-love, you will naturally become more confident and magnetic to those around you. So go forth, embrace your inner strength, and watch him miss you like never before. 3. Be supportive. Often, when someone is going through a tough time, they just need someone to listen to them. By paying attention to his needs and demonstrating your care through listening, you can strengthen your connection and help him appreciate your presence in his life. You should also be there for him when he needs you the most. Whether it's for emotional support or practical assistance, you should show up for him, no matter what. This will create a strong bond of trust and reliance between the two of you. Moreover, being his biggest fan means that you should always believe in him and his goals. Celebrate his successes and cheer him on during his difficult moments. Emphasize the positive qualities that he possesses and help him to see the best in himself. This type of encouragement will make him feel appreciated and valued, which will make him miss you even more when you're not with him. 4. Be affectionate. When you show physical affection towards him, you're letting him know that you care deeply about him and value his presence in your life. Physical affection can take many forms, from holding hands and cuddling to kissing and hugging. These actions may seem simple, but they hold great significance for your partner as they make him feel loved and appreciated. Physical touch releases the hormone oxytocin, which is commonly referred to as the bonding hormone. When you cuddle with your partner, for example, oxytocin floods both of your brains, creating a deeper sense of connection and intimacy. Being affectionate is not only good for your partner, it's good for you too. Physical touch has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety levels, increase feelings of happiness, and improve overall health and well-being. So, take the time to be affectionate with him. Let him know that he's important to you and show him how much you care through simple physical gestures. Doing so will not only strengthen your relationship, but will make your partner miss you even more when you're not around. I know that you're probably feeling a lot of emotions right now. You may be feeling sad, angry, or confused, but I want you to know that you're not alone. We've all been there. Those are my tips to make him miss you like never before. I hope you found them helpful, and if you have any other tips, please share them in the comments below. The important thing is to remember that you are worthy of love. You deserve to be with someone who loves you and misses you as much as you love and miss them. I believe in you. I know that you can make him miss you like crazy. Just follow my tips and trust your heart. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to comment below and tell me how you're feeling. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay loved.